Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. I just wanted to say thank you and express my gratitude for all of the time that you guys spend with me and all of the support that you guys throw my way, whether it be here on the YouTube or in my Etsy shop or anywhere else, in my Facebook group. I've got you zoomed in. My quick little Happy New Year 2026 little mixed media here. I wanted to do something pretty for you, for you guys for this video. But I also wanted to say thank you, and I wanted to give you guys a coupon code for the beginning of the new year. Let's start this year off right. You know, let's go into 2026 with a bang and let's leave 2025 behind us. So I do have a coupon code for you guys, and it is for 50% off, okay? So the coupon code is New Year 26, all one word with the 26 at the end, and it's valid from January 1st, 2026 to January 10th, 2026. Eastern Standard Time. So that's my time, Eastern Standard Time. And which means it'll go live at 12:01 January 1st, 2026 my time, Eastern Standard Time. And it is for 50% off. Some exclusions apply. It's only valid for the 10 days, but some exclusions apply. And those are things like embellishments, the things that are put on to my Etsy shop that are freebies in my Facebook group, but I had to put them in my Etsy shop, that kind of thing. So some exclusions apply, but if you have any issues at all, just leave me a message through Etsy, like contact me through, if you make a purchase during this time frame and you contact me through Etsy during this time frame, I will be able to fix whatever it is that may have gone awry. So don't hesitate to contact me. It doesn't do any good to contact me through like Facebook or any of that because it just takes longer, but you need to contact me through Etsy. That way I can see what your issue may be with whatever is going on. It's good for as many times as you want to use it throughout that time. Again, 50% off. All the templates are included in this coupon code. And you can use it as many times as you want. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a great big thank you. And I want to wish you a happy, happy, happy 2026. And I look so forward to all the projects we're going to make this year. I did want to tell you too really quick, I will be taking a week off. I will be checking my messages. I will be checking my Etsy shop. I will be keeping up with everything that's going on, but I'm going to be off for about a week. So the next video you'll see from me will be on the 7th of January. January 7th, 2026. Wow, that's so weird to say. But anyway, so I just wanted to let you know that. So I'll be back with you real soon, and I just wanted to say Happy New Year, and thank you guys so much. And I'll have all this information in the description box as well. There'll be a link to my Etsy shop as well. But thank you. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Happy New Year.